Let us look at the shapes and orientation of the d orbitals. We know that there are 5 d orbitals and that they are degenerate. Their names are dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square y square and dz square. So these are the orbitals of the central metal atom. Now, though they are degenerate, that they are all are having the same energy, but they are in space they are arranged differently, or they have different shapes. Now you know that if we draw the axis x, y and z axis, these dxy orbitals lie between the x and y axis. Here these are the lobes, and that is where the electron cloud you can see in d orbitals. In dyz, these orbitals lie between y and z axis, and in dxz they lie between the z and x axis. So dxy, dyz, dxz orbitals are interaxial orbitals. That is, they lie between the axis, between x and y axis, between y and z axis, between x and z axis. Now, the other two orbitals, that is dx square y square, x square minus y square and dz square, they lie along the axis. That is, dx square minus y square lies along the x and y axis. That is, you can see them. Those lobes are lying along the axis, not between. And dz square is having a dumbbell shape with the donut or a ring, a disc-like thing in between. So they are oriented along the axis. That is, the 3 axes. If we draw them like this is x, y and z. These orbitals are all xy, yz and xz are lying between the axis. They are interaxial, whereas these orbitals, these d orbitals are lying along the axis. They are axial. Now, why is this important? The shapes or orientation of these orbitals important. Now, you know that these the metal or the ligand is having, metal is having partially filled d orbitals usually. So when these ligands approach the metal, there is repulsion between the electron clouds. So the repulsion, the rate of repulsion or the effect of repulsion differs with the orientation of the d orbitals. So these shapes influence how the d orbitals interact with ligands in metal complexes. When there is more repulsion between the electrons, there is increased energy. When there is less repulsion, there is less difference in energy. So that is where these shapes or these orientations are important in the case of d orbitals.